After watching this video, you'll never doubt the quality of commercially made omelets or the conditions in which commercial hens are raised. These hens are in cleaner, more optimized environments compared to domestic ones, which may sometimes be compromised. Take a look at this fully automated system that ensures the eggs laid by hens are safely transferred to moving belts, while the top layer remains focused on their food. Once collected, each egg undergoes various stages that were once labor-intensive and time-consuming. Today, advanced automated systems have made these processes faster and more efficient. Here's how this robotic machine organizes and transfers eggs smoothly, guiding them through each step without cracking, and preparing them for the next stage with precision. If you're wondering why we're talking about eggs today, I just want to highlight how important they are in your daily diet. They're packed with nutrients, offering high-quality protein, essential vitamins, and antioxidants that support muscle repair, brain and heart health, and weight management. Let's be honest, who likes making breakfast every morning? If you ask me, I barely recognize myself during that morning rush. The machines in this system are equipped with sensors and specialized grips that carefully handle each egg. Next, the egg trays are thoroughly washed with high-pressure water to ensure cleanliness and perfection. After drying, they are carefully inspected for any cracks or imperfections, ensuring your omelet is always fresh and delicious. Next comes the automatic egg separator machines, where robotic arms efficiently crack the eggs and separate the yolks from the whites, making large-scale operations faster and more precise. This cracking process is so precise that it prevents yolks from breaking and ensures no shell fragments mix with the egg components. After cracking, any damaged yolks are carefully removed, and the eggs flow into a stream before being whisked, ready to make the perfect omelet. The entire mixture is then poured through automated nozzles to ensure that each lane gets the right amount of whisked eggs. It's fascinating to watch these machines work, efficiently and without fuss. The machines control the amount of oil used, so the omelet doesn't become greasy or stick to the stove belts. Watching it pour is super satisfying. You might notice the rising bubbles in the eggs, indicating that, like any normal omelet, these are cooking to perfection. Once they're 98% cooked, the smart rollers begin rolling them perfectly, without sticking or damaging them. The close-up of this is incredibly exciting to watch. Once the omelet rolls are done, they're moved to separate chambers, or collectors. The short pause in the process isn't a mistake. It's a smart trick to ensure the omelet cooks evenly from the inside out. This automation system beautifully and cleanly handles every step, from collecting eggs to making omelets, all to make your life easier. Once the omelet rolls are ready, robotic arms move them onto the belts to cool down before packaging. This process keeps going until more than 1,000 omelets are made each day, and at this speed, it won't be long before another batch is ready. Boiled eggs. After completing the omelet making process, the focus shifts to boiling eggs. Freshly collected eggs are sent to this cleaning and boiling facility, where they are prepared for both quick service and customer satisfaction. Once boiled, the eggs are cooled down in fresh water to bring down their temperature. They then undergo a unique technique, possibly something you've never seen before, to remove the shells, separating the boiled eggs from the peels with precision. Boiled eggs are a versatile, nutritious addition to any meal or snack, offering a quick, protein-packed boost perfect for a busy day. Peanut butter delight. This peanut butter-flavored treat is coated with rich caramel sauce and sprinkled with various nuts to create a delicious taste that's hard to resist. Once it's completed, it's cut into small pieces and chilled to perfection, ensuring the ideal shape and flavor. Marshmallow making. Watch as smooth, fluffy marshmallows are created with delicate sugar coating to keep them from sticking while maintaining their softness and sweetness. The marshmallows are carefully strained to remove any excess sugar, ensuring every piece is irresistibly delicious. Pancake production. In today's fast-paced world, preparing a healthy, nutritious breakfast might seem challenging. However, pancakes are both healthy and easy to grab when you're in a rush. The reason pancakes are always ready to serve is thanks to the advanced robotic machines in the baking factory that make thousands of pancakes every day. A brief stop allows the addition of the tastiest chocolate filling, turning them into perfect pancake sandwiches. Ice cream bar creation. The process of making ice cream bars begins with mixing a smooth vanilla ice cream mixture, free of lumps, and pouring it into molds to shape it perfectly. To elevate its flavor, the ice cream is carefully coated with chocolate. Finally, the bars are packaged attractively, making sure they look just as appealing as they taste, even before you enjoy their delightful flavor. Let's dive into the world of sushi, where rice meets seaweed, and each roll tells its own story. It all begins with the rice, the star of the dish. Workers carefully select high-quality sushi rice, running it through sieves to ensure only the best grains make it to your plate. Then the rice is soaked in water to achieve the perfect texture. The rice pots are set up, and automation steps in to simplify the process. Large machines cook the rice in big batches, and everything is precisely measured. The rice is rinsed multiple times until the water runs clear, and a touch of vinegar and oil is added to perfect the cooking process. Once settled, the rice pots are placed over stoves with temperature controls to ensure consistent cooking. The rice is steamed and cooked until soft and fluffy, just right for sushi rolls. A little oil helps make the rice easier to work with. Once cooked, the rice is gently stirred to coat each grain in the seasoning, ensuring the rice sticks together perfectly. Then it's cooled to the ideal temperature for rolling. Now the assembly begins. The machine spreads the seasoned rice on a conveyor belt, while workers place fresh vegetables, seaweed, and other ingredients on top. The precise placement of these ingredients ensures a balanced flavor and texture for each sushi roll. Thanks to skilled workers, the process continues smoothly. The rice and fillings are rolled up using specialized machines, producing perfectly rolled sushi every time. Just look at those big sushi rolls. They're simply irresistible. The rolls are then covered with seaweed and fed into a slicing machine that cuts them into bite-sized pieces. These ready-to-eat rolls are packaged to keep them fresh. Now let's explore the making of kimbap, a similar yet distinct dish. Workers blend spicy sauces into freshly cooked rice, giving it a zesty kick. The rice is carefully stirred to ensure each grain is coated. Once seasoned, the rice is spread evenly, topped with meat, sauces, and crunchy ingredients for added flavor and texture. The kimbap is shaped into a neat triangle, making it easy to grab and enjoy. Each piece is then cut with precision, ready to be savored. Kimbap. To ensure a perfect bite, cut the kimbap into individual pieces and lay them properly. Our kimbap packs are carefully sealed to maintain freshness and flavor, delivering your favorite flavors to your plate. And let's not forget that chocolate dip at the end is definitely the best part. I can't resist. I'm going to grab one right now.